Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with an interesting topic and the name of the topic is Symmetry in Different Shapes. So yes, in today's video we are going to learn about symmetry in different shapes. I have so many shapes with me. These shapes, along with this, I have all the shapes with me. So we will take them one by one and then we will discuss about line of symmetry. Okay? So, before beginning about these shapes, let's learn what is symmetry. What is the meaning of this word symmetry? Symmetry means it can be in any object, it can be seen in any shape. So, this means an object or shape is said to be symmetrical when its one half is exactly the same of the other half. Okay? For example, let's take this shape of a leaf. Okay. So if I will fold this leaf from between, then you can see that its one half is exactly the same of the other half. Okay. This half is totally covering the another one. So this is known as the line of symmetry. You can see this line at the center. This is known as line of symmetry. The line which divides a shape in two equal halves is known as line of symmetry. It can be vertical, it can be horizontal in some shapes, okay, or it can be slanting as well. So we will learn about them one by one. So in this leaf you will see that it has only one line of symmetry, that is vertical. If I will fold it horizontally, then you can see that this top is not covering this bottom part totally, and this is also left stem. Okay, so only this has one line of symmetry. Take another shape. So this is a heart. So you can see if I will fold it from the center, again the heart is also having only one line of symmetry, and that is a vertical line of symmetry. Okay, this cannot, if I will fold it like this, then you can see that this half is not covering this half totally. This means these two halves are not exactly equal. That's why this will not be considered as line of symmetry. It will have only one line of symmetry, and that is vertical line of symmetry. Okay, you can see that both the halves are exactly covering each other. Similarly, I have few cutouts of this butterfly. Okay, I have not drawn anything on this. So if I will fold it, then again this line. If I will draw a line here, then that will be its line of symmetry. This one is the another one in different color. Okay, again one line of symmetry. Now let's begin with these shapes. So let's start from the triangle. Okay, so the first I have written equilateral triangle. So you can see this is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle whose all the three sides are equal. When all the three sides are equal, in that case it will have three lines of symmetry. Let's see how. Let's fold it like this. So this is one line of symmetry. Okay, like this, then like this. Now this is the second one. Okay, and take its third vertices and like this. So you can see that it has three lines of symmetry. This and this. So an equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. Okay. But what if the triangles are isosceles or scalene? Isosceles triangle means a triangle whose only two sides are equal. Okay. For example, this and this. So if this is the case, when only two sides are equal, in that case the triangle will have only one line of symmetry, and that will be vertical line of symmetry. Okay. Now scalene triangle means a triangle whose no sides are equal. All the sides are unequal. For example, this is one side. I am drawing roughly. Okay. This is another side and this is the third side. So in this kind of triangle there will be no line of symmetry possible. Okay. Now moving on to the next shape, that is a square. So I have a square. So a square is also having 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, we can fold it like this, then we can fold it like this, and then along the opposite vertices like this and then like this. So a square has 4 lines of symmetry. For example, if this is the square, it will have vertical line of symmetry, horizontal, and then along the diagonals. So it has 4 lines of symmetry. Now moving on to rectangle. So this is a rectangle. A rectangle has only 2 lines of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry and vertical line of symmetry. Okay. Now the next shape is kite. So this is a kite. A kite has only 1 line of symmetry, and that is vertical line of symmetry. This one. Okay. Now after the kite, it's a turn for the diamond shape. So this is a diamond shape. So a diamond has only 2 lines of symmetry. One is vertical line of symmetry. Another one is horizontal line of symmetry. So it has 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, kite has done, diamond has done. Now moving on to the next shape, that is trapezium. So yes, this shape is known as trapezium. In a trapezium, 2 sides are parallel to each other and 2 sides are not parallel to each other. Okay. So if the trapezium is like this, so in that case, it will have 1 line of symmetry. That is only vertical line of symmetry. Okay. But now suppose that the trapezium opposite sides are not equal. One is bigger and one is smaller. Okay, so these 2 sides are parallel to each other. For example, let's name it AB, CD. So you can see that AB is parallel to CD. And AC and BD are not equal. So in that case, it will have no line of symmetry. But in this trapezium, you can see that these 2 sides are equal. Hence, it will have 1 line of symmetry. Okay. Now, after this, moving on to the next shape, that is parallelogram. So, parallelogram has no line of symmetry. It's not possible to divide it in 2 equal halves. Either we will do horizontally or we will do vertically. Both the halves will not exactly cover each other. Okay. So, in a parallelogram, 0 line of symmetry. Now, moving on to oval. So, yes, I have an oval also. So, an oval has 2 lines of symmetry. It can have a vertical line of symmetry and another one horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, so 2 lines of symmetry is possible in an oval. Now, moving on to circle. So, yes, a circle, this is a circle. A circle has infinite line of symmetry. We can fold it any way. So its diameter will always divide it in 2 semicircle in 2 equal halves. And a circle has infinite number of diameter. Okay. So it has infinite number of line of symmetry. Now let's take another shape, that is a semicircle, half circle. Okay, so a semicircle has only 1 line of symmetry and this is vertical line of symmetry. So it has only 1 line of symmetry. Now moving on to the polygons, and in the polygons, as we have already talked about, this square, rectangle means quadrilaterals, and then after the quadrilaterals, now we are moving on to regular pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon and so on. So a regular pentagon means, what does the meaning of this word regular? What is the meaning of this word regular? Regular means when all the sides of these polygons are equal, then we call them regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means when all the 5 sides, see, you can see, so this is a pentagon, it has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and all the 5 sides are equal. Hence it is known as regular pentagon. So whenever our polygons are regular, that time it will have the same number of line of symmetry as they have the sides. For example, in regular pentagon, 5 sides, so there will be 5 lines of symmetry. For example, one like this. So whenever you will fold a regular pentagon from its vertices to the other half of its opposite side, then it will form a line of symmetry. This is first line of symmetry. Similarly, you can take other one. Okay, another vertices. Now this is second line of symmetry, and similarly third line of symmetry, fourth and fifth. So it has 5 line of symmetry. Now after the pentagon, hexagon is also the same case. So this is a regular hexagon. Okay, so in this hexagon all the sides are equal. Hence it is called a regular hexagon. So it will have 6 lines of symmetry. Okay, pentagon has 5 lines. If it is a regular pentagon, so like this, 1 and then 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly in hexagon, 6 lines of symmetry. And if I have not written the septagon here, or heptagon means a polygon with 7 sides. A closed figure with 7 sides is known as septagon, or sometimes we call it heptagon also. Okay, so that will have 7 lines of symmetry. Octagon I have. So this is an octagon. It has 8 lines of symmetry because it has 8 sides and all the sides are equal. Hence it will have 8 lines of symmetry. If there is regular nonagon, means 9 sides, 9 line of symmetry. 10 sides, if it's a regular decagon, 10 sides, 10 lines of symmetry. Okay. So if the figure is a regular, if the given polygon is a regular polygon, so always remember that will have the same number of lines of symmetry as it is having the sides. Okay. So I hope that now the topic of symmetry, the meaning of line of symmetry will be clear to you. So if you like this video, then please share this video, and yes, you can also do cutouts of these shapes. You can also make cutouts. You can also do these lines of symmetry practically. Then only you will understand the topic deeply. Okay. So share this video to your friends, to your family members, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next video with a new informative concept. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thanks for watching.